One of the most popular beaches that's actually listed in the top 100 green landscapes in Osaka Prefecture is Nishiki-no-Hama Beach. The word Nishiki means two colors, the white beach and the green pine trees in front of the beach. Nishiki-no-Hama Beach is an 800-meter wide sandy beach located in Kaizuka City and can be reached in less than an hour by car or by train from the center of Osaka. Why is it popular? Well, Nishiki-no-Hama Beach is a beach in a modern setting, which makes it an all-in-one package kind of beach. There are so many things that you can do and so many things that you can see without even doing anything, such as the tiny waves, the sky with aircrafts passing by from the nearby Kansai airport, the city lights, cars passing by above you through an overpass, and a stunning view of the sunset and the skyline. If you're into marine sports, surfing and jet skiing are also famous here. During summertime, Nishiki-no-Hama Beach is a popular destination for enjoying barbecue party with family and friends. Aside from that, there's also a playground with colorful slides for your kids to enjoy. If you're looking for a place like this, make sure to visit Nishiki-no-Hama Beach.